Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to enable airplane mode on your iPhone running iOS 17. So turning on airplane mode disables all wireless and cellular signals coming from the phone. However, in airplane mode, you're able to toggle on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So let me show you how to enable airplane mode on your iPhone running iOS 17. So there are two ways to enable airplane mode on your iPhone. The first way is going through settings and then scrolling down until you see airplane mode. Go ahead and toggle the switch to the right hand side and you should see an airplane icon here just next to the battery icon. So now airplane mode has been enabled. As I said before, you can enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth while you're in airplane mode. Now the second way to enable airplane mode is through Control Center. So you want to go ahead and bring your control center down by swiping from the top right. And here you'll see the airplane icon. To enable this, go ahead and just tap on it. And once it turns yellow, that means it has been enabled. You'll see the airplane icon here at the top left. And when you go back to your home screen, you'll see the airplane icon next to your battery icon. To disable airplane mode, go ahead and bring the control center and go ahead and just re-tap on it again. And there you go. That is how to enable airplane mode on your iPhone running iOS 17. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.